Friends, the time has come for us to install one of our windows on the van. Essentially, we're going to be marking the inner rim of the van with one of these little fellas and a hammer. And what I'm going to be doing is just tapping this around the inner rim of the punch out for the window. Then to give you an idea, that's what we're doing. I've already started just a smidge to see how it was going to work. We'll show you what it looks like on the inside.
So now that Chase punched little holes around where the window is going to be, right?
Yep.
He actually created a shape for the window, and then we found this online. Well, Chase did. He found a video where they show something very similar to that, to this, right?
It's the same exact thing.
Oh, it's the same thing. They use it to cut a very straight line. It's called a metal shear, right?
Yep.
So we need to open a hole that is gonna be big enough to fit these, and then we're gonna cut it. And this is the scary part. I guess the whole thing is a scary part. Fingers crossed this works.
That right along this edge, so I know straight line there, because we've got the brace there, and then same right here. So this will give me an idea on my straight line there, since there was no way for me to punch on the inside the hole because there are two braces right here. However, I've got a small drill bit and then a much larger one. The small one to drill a pilot, the much larger one, well, you should know what that's for. I believe and hope this is going to be large enough to get our new tool in, but I'm going to start up here, go around the top. That way we can tape the top section of it, so when we get all the way around to the bottom, the top theoretically should not fall. So if we just cut all the way around and don't tape anything, it'll fall out. We could hurt ourselves or scratch the van, damage the van in some capacity. So, all right.
First hole in. Woo!
It's a pretty big hole. Cutting a pretty straight line. Flex that in just a little bit.
How are you feeling?
Frustrated.
Why?
Because tools.
Didn't work as you thought?
No, that one didn't work well at all. And then this blade isn't working well at all either. It's just chopping and jumping around.
Woo! That was scary. Well, we got a hole in the van. Whew.
I'm confident with one adjustment that we just made, it will go in now. What do you think?
Fingers crossed. I'm very stressed about it. Chase was saying, oh, we already have opened so many holes in the van. I'm not stressed. I'm freaking out.
She's freaking out. I'm not stressed. I'm a little peeved at the fact that the tool did not meet the quality and expectations of the reviews. So just a lesson learned. On the parts that were straight, it worked very well. Any type of curve, not so well at all.
Let's put this window in and see if it fits.
Yep. We'll need this. Maybe.
Did it fit? I think so. You want to say hi? Wow, the air that's coming from here, insane.
See why I wanted the T-Vent?
Can you see me?
Yeah, sure can.
This is so cool. Hi, great neighbors. Chase is now cleaning the stickers from the window, but A+. It's gonna rain when? Monday?
Oh,
Tuesday?
yeah, we'll find
Something
out.
like that. We'll find out if there's any leak.
Which I highly doubt there will be with the way that this thing tightened up.
Yeah, but we'll find out. I'm gonna go and make some dinner. I think that's all we're gonna do today. Tomorrow we have 2 more windows to install.
They're gonna be a little more difficult.
You think so?
Absolutely.
And you
then-
wanted to do those today?
Yeah. What can I say? I like to set lofty targets.
I'm gonna make some Beyond Meat sausages. Hot Italian.
Those things are fantastic.
Buen provecho and have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. Good morning, friends. It's a new day, 2 windows to go. Not much to say, just that I'm scared because I think these are gonna be quite more difficult than the one on the side. So let's do it.
So we've stamped out where the windows are gonna be. You wanna explain a little bit of it, Boo Boo?
Yes. The inside, it's kind of already marked, right?
Yes.
So we just have to follow the mark inside, which I can show you. So inside it's already marked. We just have to follow the line and punch through it. You just go like all around. The only places where you cannot go through it, it's this metal, but you just go straight there. So I guess it's not that hard. But you have to cut from the outside because it's gonna be a little bit more stiff, right?
It's just easier to do it from the outside.
I guess. I think
You have a flat surface to cut on.
yeah. We just now have to go through it. Let's give it a second chance to that machine that Chase bought and see how it goes. Are you ready to cut some holes?
Yep.
So first hole is down. We already cut the the second hole in the van. Well, quite a bit of holes in the van. The second window. Chase cut it with the new machine, which didn't do that bad this time. I think it did much better than yesterday. I filed down just the raw edges, right?
Yep.
Just to create more like a smooth surface. And now Chase is painting with white paint around it to prevent for rusting. And then what we're gonna do, baby? Open the other hole?
Yeah, we're gonna cut the other hole. Once this dries, we're gonna put on our little edge piece,
Uh-huh.
and then we're gonna clean up all around this.
Cool. Let's do it. This cut right here that you did, perfect.
I know, it's way better, huh? It's almost like I kind of got used to using that.
Yeah, right at the end though.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Bobo?
Putting the trim guard on here. It's not as simple of a task as I thought it would be.
Really?
Yep.
Why?
I don't know. It's just tougher to get on than I thought.
Huh. Doesn't look like it.
It is.
What are you doing that for, baby?
So I'm using a Scotch-Brite to scratch up where the urethane will go. I've already gone around the window seal as well, where the urethane adhesive will go. But I'm just Scotch-Briting it, scuffing it up a little bit, not too much, staying away from the actual clear glass part, because this will scratch that. And then we're gonna go back through with some isopropyl alcohol, clean it up. Then we're gonna lay a bead of our urethane around the window, put it up.
Cool.
Ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready is the question?
Not really.
Wow. That That's crazy. And you just have to follow the line of your primer.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I don't know. Just following your directions. I think we're ready to put this window up. What do you think, Bobo?
Just about.
Ojos que lloran sangre. Cuando curen esas manos, tus ojos que lloran sangre. Agua, sangre de la tierra, tierra madre de la vida. Al misterio que te encierra,